Choose the word or words that, when inserted in the sentence to replace the blank or blanks, best fits the meaning of the sentence. Not a single detail he provided of his blank lifestyle as a child was perceived by the adolescents as blank information. The world he portrayed felt so different from the culture of consumerism and indulgence they were familiar with, so every bit of his story was interesting. Now, in a question like this, when we have two blanks, it's really important for us to, based on the context and the tone and any kind of shifts in the sentences, try to predict what type of words we should expect to find in our blanks before we go to the answer choices. Now, the second sentence here gives us a lot of hints of what we should expect to find in our first and second blanks. For example, the world he portrayed felt so different from the culture of consumerism and indulgence. So the lifestyle that he portrays is different or maybe even opposite to the culture of consumerism and indulgence that the kids are used to. So we could expect to find a word like modest in our first blank, or even simple. Now, in our second blank, we have every bit of his story was interesting, and we also understand from the construction of the first sentence with not a single detail. So based on these two parts of the structure, we can understand that the children are not feeling like any part of his story is extra or unnecessary. So we're going to write extra here. Now when we go to our answer choices, only one is going to really give us what we need here. One word like modest at the beginning and extra for our second blank. All of the other ones are either the opposite of what we need or are not actually relevant to what we are looking for here. So austere and extraneous is going to be the correct answer for this question.